This guide will help you download usage reports from Chorus.ai in a few easy steps. Follow the instructions below to access your reports efficiently. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Chorus.ai website and enter your credentials to log into your account. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access usage reports. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, locate the main menu on the dashboard. Click on the Reports tab to access the reporting features available to you. Step 3. Select Usage Reports. In the Reports section, look for the option labeled Usage Reports. Click on it to view the different types of reports you can generate. Step 4. Customize your report. Choose the specific parameters for your usage report, such as date range, team members, or call types. Adjust the filters according to your needs and click Generate to create the report. Step 5. Download the report. After the report is generated, you will see an option to download it. Click on the Download button, select your preferred file format, and save the report to your device. Now you can easily access and analyze your usage reports from Chorus.ai. Follow these steps whenever you need to download new reports.